to the channel, y'all. I'll share with y'all my Chinese food. I got broil. Pour y'all in. I had a teriyaki stick. I got a little bocce chicken here. I got broiled fish. That broiled fish good for you. Check out the broiled fish here. This healthy eat, man. That broiled fish, you know, spiced up. I just want to share this. That bocce chicken is good. Go along good with that broiled fish. All right. Look how good this fish is seasoned. It's very tender. See how it break apart? See that? That's that broiled fish. It's really good, y'all. Next time y'all go to the Chinese restaurant, y'all try out that broiled fish. It's really delicious. You know? Very good. See here, it's very healthy for you too. Omega-3s, a broiled fish. You know? Y'all don't cap on that fish. Alright, hit that subscribe button, y'all. Till next time, boys out. Peace.